Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save an image in GIMP on your Windows PC. First, open GIMP and open the image you want to save. Once your image is open, go to the top left corner and click File. Here, you'll find different options for saving and exporting your image. If you are working on a GIMP project and want to save your work, select Save As. A file selection window will appear. Now choose the folder where you want to save your project. Enter a file name for your project and make sure the GIMP project format is selected. Then click Save. GIMP will save your project, and you can open it again later to continue editing. Now there is another important option called Export As. If you want to save your finished image as a common image format such as PNG or JPEG, use Export As. Click File, then select Export As. Choose the folder where you want to save the image. Enter a file name and include the format you want, such as PNG or JPEG. Then click Export. GIMP may show additional export settings. If you don't need to change anything, you can keep the default settings and click Export again. Your image will now be saved in the selected location. Remember, Save As is useful for saving your GIMP project, while Export As is used when you want to create a final image file, such as PNG or JPEG. So to quickly review, open your image, click File, choose Save As for your project, or choose Export As for an image file. And that's how you can save an image in GIMP on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.